Hello, this is AIView VS, an intelligent tablet vital signs monitor independently developed by Lepu Medical. This series of monitor is equipped with ECG, SpO2, pulse rate, temperature, EWS, customized fields, etc. With simple and lightweight appearance design, convenient operation, and high-efficiency workflow, this series of monitor has been widely praised at home and abroad since its release. Let's take a look at the appearance of the machine. The front of the machine is a 10-inch high-definition touchscreen. On the lower right side of the machine is the NFC recognition area for connecting wearable devices with NFC technology. On the upper right side of the machine is the on/off button, power indicator. When connecting to the DC power supply, the yellow breathing light will be turned on. When using battery power, the white breathing light will be turned on. The lower part is USB port, power port. On the right side of the machine base is the recorder. On the back of the machine is the camera, carrying handle, and stand. On the back of the base is an accessory organizer. On the right side of the machine is the NIBP port, 3-in-1 multifunction adapter port, SIM card reserved slot. Multifunction adapter port includes SpO2, temperature, for leads ECG. On the left side of the base is the USB port, non-contact thermometer port, and thermometer holder. Install the base, align the machine with the metal contact post, press down firmly. The installation is successful when you hear a click. Remove the machine, press the button. When you hear a click, the machine can be lifted. Accessories: multifunction adapter, forehead thermometer, Bluetooth forehead/ear thermometer, lead cable, SpO2 sensor, blood pressure cuff components. Connect blood pressure accessory, cuff end to patient's arm, cannula end to device. Install the multifunction adapter and connect the corresponding accessories to the multifunction adapter according to the icon marking. Connect the multifunction adapter and plug the multifunction adapter into the device's port. Attach the thermometer and plug the thermometer into the base of the unit. VS Series monitor adopts colorful high-resolution full-touch display screen. Parameter setting, work and other settings can be realized by touching. Patient information area, alarm prompt area, system status information and configuration area, parameter measurement display area, menu area. Parameter display settings. If you want to measure ECG, EWS, more parameter fields, you can enter the menu parameter setting interface, turn on the ECG switch, enter the EWS, turn on the EWS switch, enter the more parameter settings, turn on the more parameter switch. For more parameter settings, go to menu, parameter settings, more parameter settings, add new combination, and select the corresponding fields. Work mode selection. If you generally use in the triage or outpatient scenarios, it is recommended to use the spot check mode. If you generally use for ward rounds, it is recommended to use the ward round mode. If you generally use in the bedside continuous monitoring, it is recommended to use the monitor mode. The default setting of the device is the spot check mode. Patient information can be generated automatically in spot check mode, and physiological information of multiple patients can be measured efficiently. In spot check mode, if you want to enter patient information manually or scan the code, you can go to the patient information interface to turn off auto-coding. Measure parameters. Start to measure NIBP, SpO2, temperature, pulse rate. For EWS entry, go to menu, parameter settings, EWS, select the scoring tool, enter the values, and calculate the EWS. For more parameter settings, Click on the setup icon in the main interface to enter the other parameter setting interface, enter the value. Click OK, you can see the result in the main interface. After saving the current patient, the next patient ID is automatically generated for the next measurement. In ward round mode, add all patients in the ward to the patient list, and select patients in turn to start measuring parameters. Patient list, check mark will be shown for patient who have been checked. Patients who have not been checked are filled with a blue background. In ward round mode, select patients in the patient list to start measuring their physiological information and save it in the machine. System setup, setting patient information, connecting Bluetooth devices, connecting to wireless network, HL7 connection, setting sounds, print settings, device information.